Gemelino. 4 times a night, Gemelino. Get up. Get the fuck up. Take off your pants. Wah. Can you talk to Joe, please? Yeah, Joe.
Joe, it's Chris. Why don't you come on over? I just got up.
Sure.
All right. What are you gonna take your bike?
I don't know.
Come on, L-man.
All right, I'll take my bike.
All right.
Who's that, Joe? Yeah. No! I just killed Chris. Now I'm going to rearrange his room. Put it right on his dead carcass. I never liked this cassette over here. I wanted it always over here, but he wouldn't let me. He wouldn't let me put it there, but now I'll put it there. Oh, what's this? Joe? 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 Kill Joe. Better than sex. Let me take a shit. He's alive. I'll show that rat bastard. Chris? Chris! Hi, Chris. Holy shit. Flesh wound. Get that fucking scumbag. Fucking scumbag. Show him what fucking I made up his ass. Yeah, I'll show that fucking dick. Joe? Hey, Joe. Got something for you, man. He's sleeping. Fucking fell. What are you doing, man? What's going on? What is that? What are you crying? That's right, Tiffany. I made spam out of his head. I made it just like you told me. Right in his mouth. His head's fucking blasted all over Ionia. Chris, I'm home.